Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Invest 95L. So, Invest 95L now has a 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days. As of 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 21st, 2023, a small area of low pressure located roughly midway between the Cabo Verde Islands and Lesser Antilles continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Although environmental conditions are only marginally conducive, slow development is expected and the system will likely become a tropical depression early next week as it moves westward toward the tropical Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 hours is now at 50%. Formation chance through 7 days is now high at 70%. So if you're in areas like Barbados, Trinidad, Tobago, Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Martinique, St. Lucia, Dominica, Guadeloupe, you need to be watching Invest 95L very closely now, as the chances of tropical cyclone formation keep on increasing. And then we also have Tropical Storm Dawn, now has strengthened to 60-mile-per-hour winds with a minimum central pressure of 998 millibars and is moving northwest at 12 miles per hour. So I'm going to show you a graphic of the sea surface temperatures, and this is why I'm really concerned about Invest 95L. We are seeing sea surface temperatures in the main development region through the Caribbean, through the Gulf of Mexico, anywhere between 85 as high as 90 degrees in some areas. This is literally bathwater, and these are the warmest ocean temperatures ever recorded on planet Earth right now. So any tropical cyclone that is able to develop is going to explosively intensify with these kind of sea surface temperatures. And looking at the wind shear, this is the one factor that has been keeping the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, and United States safe from tropical cyclone activity so far this hurricane season. Well, we are seeing signs of the wind shear starting to really weaken and subside across the Caribbean. So right now we're still seeing unfavorable wind shear across the southern Caribbean and western Atlantic. But if I play the 3-hour time loop for the last 24 hours, about 24 hours ago, the whole Caribbean was covered with wind shear. But now as we go into the present, you'll see that a lot of that wind shear, especially around Haiti, Puerto Rico, and the northern Windward Islands, is really starting to weaken. So if this wind shear here continues to weaken and unfortunately if it starts to dissipate, then we could be looking at a situation where we get a tropical storm or even hurricane in the Caribbean, which is not what we want, and this is what I believe the models are struggling to pick up on, as the GFS model still is failing to develop the system as it moves through the Lesser Antilles by Tuesday, keeping it a tropical wave as it moves through St. Lucia, through Martinique, through Dominica and Barbados. And now the GFS is actually starting to show signs of possible development as Invest 95L gets west of the Windward Islands. So that is a trend that we're going to have to watch as well. And then looking at the European model is still not developing Invest 95L into anything tropical, but bringing a whole bunch of rain through the entire Windward Island chain. So I'm going to continue to monitor Invest 95L very closely for my friends in the Windward Islands. So if you're in the Windward Islands, especially across Trinidad, Tobago, Grenada, Barbados, through St. Vincent and the Grenadines, through Martinique, St. Lucia, through Dominica and Guadeloupe, make sure you're monitoring Invest 95L very closely, as the chances of formation keep being increased by the National Hurricane Center, and the sea surface temperatures are conducive for explosive intensification and development. Thanks for watching this evening's tropical update. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.